This is Mrs. S. Aarthi, Assistant Professor of Mathematics, Arumigu Palani Arts College for Women, Palani. Now we are going to discuss about inverse of hyperbolic function. So let us going to discuss one result in this topic. The statement is sin h inverse of x equal to log base c of x plus root of x square plus 1. And the second one is cos h inverse of x equal to log base c x plus root of x square minus 1. And third result is tan h inverse of x equal to 1 by 2 log 1 plus x by 1 minus x. So in order to prove this, in the first result we are taking let y equal to sin h inverse of x. So by taking this sin h inverse to the left hand side, we will get x equal to sin hy. We can write this hyperbolic function in terms of an exponential function. So we will get sin hy equal to e power y minus e power minus y by 2. And by taking this 2 to the left hand side, and we will get 2x equal to e power y minus e power minus y. And by taking e power minus y as common, so we will get finally, and simplifying, we will get 2x e power y equal to e power 2y minus 1. And by taking all the terms to the one side of the equation, so we will get a quadratic equation in e power y. And we can easily solve this quadratic equation by using the formula method. The formula is minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. And by using that formula, we are solving and we will get the value for e power y. And we are getting two values. Exponential function is always positive, so we are going to take only one value, the positive value. So e power y equal to x plus root of x square plus 1. So by taking log on both sides, in the left hand side exponential function and logarithm get cancelled. So we will get y equal to log base x plus root of x square plus 1. And replacing y by sin h inverse of x. So finally we will get sin h inverse of x equal to log base of x plus root of x square plus 1. In the second result, similarly like first result, we are taking y as cos h inverse of x. And taking this cos h inverse to the left hand side, we will get x equal to cos hy. And replacing cos h, the hyperbolic function, in terms of exponential function, we will get e power y plus e power minus y by 2. So by taking the 2 to the left hand side, and we will get 2x equal to e power y plus e power minus y. And we are resolving this. Finally we will get a quadratic equation in e power y. And we are solving for e power y by using formula method, and we will get two values for exponential function. And by taking only one positive value, because exponential function is always positive, we will get y equal to log x plus root of x square minus 1. And by taking log on both sides, we will get finally y as log base c x plus root of x square minus 1. And again we are replacing y by cos h inverse of x, and we will get log base c of x plus root of x square minus 1. In order to prove the third result, let y is tan h inverse of x, and taking the tan h inverse to the left hand side, we will get x equal to tan hy. And replacing the tan hy, that the hyperbolic function, to an exponential function, we will get x equal to e power y minus e power minus y by e power y plus e power minus y. And we are taking the denominator to the left hand side, and we are resolving this by considering e power y to the one side of the equation and e power y as minus y to the another side of the equation. And finally we are simplifying this. We will get e power 2y equal to x plus 1 by 1 minus x. And we will get the value for y as 1 by 2 log base c 1 plus x by 1 minus x by simplifying the above equation. And replacing y by tan h inverse of x equal to 1 by 2 log e of 1 plus x by 1 minus x. So we have proved all the three statements. Thank you.